Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen special phone BMW 1 Series 25 to 12 years. Okay, you can check this blue screen. There is SD card slot and SIM card slot and the reset on back. This comes with this feet. You can check 1 Series E81, E82, E87 and 12.3-inch. This seat will come with head unit together. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the head unit back can fit this dash kit. Okay, it also comes with iDrive. This iDrive joystick. You can check the connection. Okay, let me show head unit. This is video and music, navigation, communication. Let me check the settings at first. And system info you can check. This is Android 11 system, RAM 6GB and storage 128GB. Okay, let me check the system. This settings, navigation, volume, sound, language. All language already built in the system. And let me check the Android, the Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect to Wi-Fi. Very fast response. Okay, connect the Wi-Fi, show Wi-Fi icon. It's here, it's built in Play Store. And Z-Link wireless. Android Auto. Settings. CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. This APK installer. OEM you can choose. And this CarPlay Z-Link apps in OEM settings. You can choose it and install. Okay, now back. You can visit website. Okay, Amazon.com. Okay, you can visit Belsee.com. And let me check the settings. Not Android. Let me check about device. You can check Snapdragon 662 chip. Qualcomm Android 11 system. Okay, now we connect Bluetooth, this pin number and name and pin. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search. Okay, this is your phone. Now we choose your phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin number connection successfully. This Bluetooth you can check. And this will allow your contacts listing. Refuse will allow it. Okay. And when you click this, you can check. You can make a phone. You can make a phone call. It's calling this number. You can check it work with Bluetooth phone call. You can stream music from your phone. It's okay. You can stream music from your phone. You check music. You can choose flash or USB. Play music. It will show the picture. Okay. Sound settings is DSP amplifier. You can check. You can adjust the sound. Okay, this is music and video. Choose a USB 2. Full screen. It plays 4K video. Okay, you can check 4K video. Okay. I choose the highest length. Back. Choose Swiss. Okay. This video, this car information and the dashboard you can check. You can choose any color change on this panel. Okay. if you have any more questions, you can visit our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, this is Android 11 system. This new head unit, Tesla style screen. You can check. Okay. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can send the email, contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I'll be back home.